Alright guys, so for today's video, I will be showing to you how you'll be able to delegate and also connect your nodes from PlayAI to NodeOps. Again, this is a much more simplified version on how you will be able to do it. But of course, if you haven't subscribed into our channel, please do subscribe right now. Again, this is Addict in here. We're now reaching 100,000 followers, and let's just jump right into it. So, as you can see, I have one in my node folio, and this is my Play AI. And then as you can see as well here, I connected my wallet basically. And what you need to do first, if you actually had a Play AI nodes here, just in case that you don't know, is you need to link your wallet first. Okay, so you need to link your wallet, connect your MetaMask. Whether you're using MetaMask or other applications, wallet applications, you can always find it over here. But of course, I would recommend MetaMask. And then what you need to do is, for example, if the node is actually on base, then connect on base. Okay, and you just need to link your wallet. After you link your wallet, okay, just connect, and then there will be another prompt of MetaMask, and then you will be redirected there, and then go forward into um the node deployment. Okay, so this is the current um platform that you need to take in mind, because this is where you will be able to see all of your nodes. Okay, so just click Play AI and then click Oasis and then connect your wallet again, because um, you can connect different kind of wallets here, right, as I told you. And then what you just need to do next is click Fetch NFT. Okay, so when you click Fetch NFT, it will actually show here if you need to like connect it or deploy it on NodeOps, which will show you some pricing, whether you're gonna go with 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month, 24 months, or even 36 months. So what's currently in here is the much a higher subscription you have in NodeOps. It's much more cheaper. Okay, so as you can see here, I already deployed it, but I think you will be redirected after you connect your account for Play AI. And then of course you can pay it via Arbitrum or any other network. And what you just need to do is find whichever token you want to buy it. Okay, there's no problem if it's USDC, Ethereum, or any other stuff. Okay, just don't get confused on this section right here. Okay, and now once you actually bought once you already like bought like subscription in NodeOps, okay, it will be here in Nodefolio, which you need to delegate. Okay, you need to delegate, and then you need to keep it on running, right? And as you can see here, there's nothing that you need to do. Okay, there's no technical stuff that you need to do. And as you can see also at their Explorer, there's already 640 PLAI tokens distributed today, just for today. And there's only 10,000 Play AI tokens distributed as of the moment. If you're gonna go into Play AI website, you can see that there's only 70,000 Oasis nodes in total, and also 20% of the total Play AI supply will be distributed into these 70,000 licenses, which is at 200 million tokens. Okay, so basically all of the tokens is at 1 billion, and 3% of the token supply, which is, if I'm not mistaken, around 30 million, are gonna be reserved for airdrops. Now I'm done talking about the I'm now done talking for the nodes, and now let's talk about the airdrop, how you'll be able to participate in airdrop. It's very easy. What you just need to do, go to Play AI network and then go to the play drop and actually play uh games inside Play AI. So there's a stream to earn. As I told you guys, there's a lot of people that are playing in here, and this is the proof. There's already like 961 hours remaining. Okay, and what you just need to do again is click login, put referral code if you have to. You do not need to use the referral code that I put in the description box below. But if you love to use it just for to support me, I will take it. And then just connect with Google. And again, let me just go here again for the I think this is gonna be like the third time. So let's just go here, and then what you just need to do is go to the game section, and then there's gonna be like games that's gonna be available onto this portion, which is gonna kind of like loading for a bit. And then just click play and stream. Okay, when you click play and stream, you need to connect your Twitch account, you need to set up your gameplay, and then complete the mission. And let's now go back into the node explorer. There's already 9,000 people executing it for the whole time. Okay, and there's already 500 people doing this task every single day. Okay, it of course it fluctuates, but as you can see, there's definitely a demand on here. And of course, if you're also playing other games and they have like a play to airdrop, you can use Play AI network to actually play and stream. So while you're grinding for their tokens, you can also stream and also grind for the shards we're in. You can later on convert into the rewards. Okay, and I think that's pretty much like the good situation if you are a gamer, or if you are some sort of like a scholar of a different manager, to actually maximize all of the rewards that you're going to get. Okay, and basically this project is for the gamers. So definitely, if you spend a lot of time of gaming, you should definitely add this into your portfolio, whether you're buying the nodes or whether you're gaming or not. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this time. Also, guys, they got a partnership with Mint Air, so you can also participate here where you can get up to 5 free Play AI Oasis nodes, which is valued over 1,000. So for those people, please take in note their partnerships as well. If you're someone who's looking to buy a node, maybe you should join this one, so maybe you can get much more additions. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Again, this is Crypto Addict in here, back again with new contents every single day, and see you guys on the next video. Oh my